What's going on, fam? Welcome back. This is Chris with Food for Your Thoughts. I know you're having a wonderful day. We're back with another divine alignment light code message. I know you staying warm out there and protecting yourself. Today is all about vibration 334 and why you keep seeing it. And so if 334 been popping up in your reality, this presentation for you, okay? Be sure to click that like, subscribe button down below. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, you know Earth is a school. And if you are receiving a whole bunch of synchronistic events from nature, your intuition, your spiritual team, whatever you want to call it, right? You know, you receive your call to adventure. The universe knows it's time for you. Your alarm clock then went off, and it's time for all of us to grow to the next level on our hero's journey. So each and every one of us have our own unique purpose, mission, path, destiny, whatever you want to call it, that we have to fulfill in this lifetime. Okay, so there's been a lot of people, slowing us down with numerous distractions each and every day. They call it family, friends, loved ones, all right, jobs, things of that nature. But you got to invest in yourself each and every day, at least 15 minutes. Okay, so the universe, obviously you receive your call to adventure. The universe going to line up a whole bunch of different people that's going to support your growth, but you got to be open to receive the messages. Okay, each and every day is a learning experience. Each situation is a learning lesson. Okay, so you got to be open to receive. Always have that student teacher mindset. So you're going to be connected with nature, learn more about math, cause and effect, being a cause in your life, right? Most importantly, you're going to be tying things together with your intuition, music, astrology, anatomy, all right? Because you're going to learn, how this suit works, right? Because it can do more than what they teach us, right? Also, sacred geometry, Brother Sanchez on YouTube. He'll help give you some eye training. That way you can discern for yourself, okay? And let your spiritual eyes and intuition kick in for yourself, all right? So, and also, the universe going to line you up with people such as myself, sharing their true ups and downs, the things that work, the things that don't work, and also some tools to help you level up. And we covered those 7 Hermetic principles. So if you haven't learned anything, please learn these 7 Hermetic principles, apply them in your life in some way, shape, or form each and every day. Test things out and find your own sweet spot for yourself, okay? There's no cookie cutter recipe to life. However, there are some cheat codes out here that get you going in a positive direction really fast, okay? So you're going to make some mistakes, but those mistakes going to make you wise so you can grow through your own personal transformation atonement process versus having somebody else do this stuff for you, okay? Because you're not learning anything if somebody else is doing all the work, okay? So it's time for each and every one of us to tap into our own Christ consciousness, all right? Or God consciousness, so to speak, with the divine, so we can get the results that we need, okay? So when you know better, you're going to do better. So it's all about 334 vibration. Earth is a school, and it requires learning a whole bunch of life lessons to gain that experience and knowledge for our soul growth. And as you grow, because you're going to start getting results in your life by applying these 7 Hermetic principles, investigating these numbers, because these numbers mean for me may not mean the same thing for you. It depends on the situation, okay? So each situation is unique, okay? What were you thinking? What were you doing in that time frame when these numbers show up? Everything matters, okay? So I'm here to give you some key, just some basic, attributes, or some key attributes and characteristics of these numbers, so you can be able to discern and use your intuition so it can kick in for yourself, okay? I hope that makes sense without being long-winded. So don't forget to pay yourself first, and follow your own biorhythm and flow in life, okay? So with that being said, it's all about 334 vibration. Also invest into this book, okay? 777 Aleister Crowley. This is all about tapping you into higher consciousness, okay? You got the divine masculine and feminine principle, but this is you within. Okay, I hope this makes sense. And this is the base of your brain, okay, your mind. Everything starts in the mind first before it manifests in the physical. This is your cerebellum, okay? And it's all about once you can tap, you cross over that cerebellum and get into higher consciousness, right? The cerebrum, right? You know what time it is, all right? You can illuminate yourself with knowledge because you're going to start being very intentional with everything. Okay, so I'm gonna give you my key points and takeaway when it comes to this 334 vibration. I'm gonna get you out of here. Okay, so underneath all the layers, you're a divine light being here, here to have a human experience. Okay, and also as you navigate in your own matrix reality, pay attention to your personal day calculation. And so that as you add these things up for the sake of training here, this individual, you're gonna take your month and the date of your birth, right, and then you're gonna add those up to the current date. So for the sake of training, this person has a birth date of, let's say, March 3rd. Right, 3 equals 6, right? And then we have this date of November 8th, 2022, and for this individual, this will be a master builder day. All right. And this will be a day for, for peacemaking, diplomacy, healthy, electric boundaries. Okay. Divinely guided when it comes to relationships. Okay. And then with that 2 vibration, it's all about tapping into your intuition as well. All right. So with that being said, it's all about leaving no stone unturned. You'll know exactly what to do. And then that 22 leads to a 4, because 4 is all about plans, foundations, having some goals, having some kind of theme for yourself, right? And then 4 also lets you know that some results should start coming in pretty soon, okay, if not already. So with that being said, just pay attention to these vibrations, okay? Everything matters, okay? And then also these numbers love to pop up on license plates, billboard with letter combinations too. So you'll start to see these these letters pop up, triple D's, 4 D's, 5 D's, and you'll know that's 444. You got some high angels or high celestial beings trying to send you some cheat codes, okay? So with that being said, 334 on the surface level, we looking at what? New growth, right? Then you got self-expression, creativity with outcomes. And then when you're dealing with these master numbers, right? Okay, everything matters. So you got 2 3s going to the 4, right? It's dealing with what? Reproduction, creativity, humor, that Christ consciousness that we've been talking about so much, right? Joy and harmony. And then when it leads to the 4, we talked about limitation, order, service, practicality, having some foundation, self-discipline, being very reliable, okay, with yourself first, and then it's going to reflect in your outer reality, and also being very systematic, okay? So at the end of the day, guys, there's material items going to come and go, but knowledge itself is more important and longer lasting, because when you know better, you're going to do better. Because when you can do things for yourself, you're not going to need anybody else assisting anymore. And then what'll happen is the universe will line you with people, right, that's going to need your assist, because you learn quite a few lessons, right? And you'll be that subject matter expert in divine timing, okay? I hope that makes sense, right? So that way you can have fun as you navigate in your reality here, okay? We're not here to suffer. It's supposed to be a pleasant experience so we can level up and become the best version of ourselves each and every day, okay? So that's why knowledge itself is more important, longer lasting. If you don't learn anything else, please learn those 7 hermetic principles. It's going to take you far, all right? There's a good side, not so good side to everything. When these number pops up, it may be telling you, hey, you're doing a great job, or it may be telling you like, hey, you may need to work on a couple things, okay? But you're still doing a good job, but keep working on a couple things. You got some weaknesses that we need to work on, okay? All right? So, but it's all about balancing your divine masculine feminine principle within you so you can operate in your wholeness, your completeness, right? So, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna get you guys out of here with this master number 33 and the attributes of the 4. Number 3 brings growth, expansion, principles of increased sensitivity, self-expression, communication, creativity, joy, optimism, and also 3 brings in, it talks about the ascended masters, this Christ consciousness energies, right? Your ancestors, so to speak. Then master number 33 symbolizing, guidance, compassion, blessing, teachers of teachers, okay? Because you're here to deliver a divine message, right? Or you at the right place and in the right time to receive a divine message. It's all about inspiration, honesty, disciplines, bravery, courage. And then when expressed to its fullest, right, when you really operating your fullest, this master number 33 focuses upon the spiritual upliftment of humankind, because it's all about helping people to become the best version of themselves, okay? We all been lied to on a mass level, and it's time to learn with new information, okay? Because if you're doing the same thing over and over again expecting different results, nothing's going to happen. So we need new information so we can percolate our minds so we can get better results, okay? And then with that number 4, resonate with working steadily towards our goals, aspiration, being practical, having some kind of system, order, self-initiation, pretty much self-discipline, right? Endurance, loyalty, mastery, building, foundations. And then this also deals with having that patience, because number 4 deals with being very patient and trustworthy, determination. And then also that number 4 relates to the archangels. And when we tie everything up into a bow, and I didn't mention it in the last presentation, we got to reduce things down, okay? It's all about leaving no stone unturned. So that's going to end up, adding up to a 10, right? And so with that, there's no 0. However, that number 0 is going to always magnify the number that is combined with. And also letting you know you about to embark on another spiritual journey, a new spiritual path for yourself, different spiritual lessons, okay? And then also that 0 lets you know you connected with source, wholeness, oneness, completeness, okay? It's a beginning point, all right? So you're getting ready to start a new season, baby, all right? So with that number 1, it's telling you straight up, it's all about manifestation, new beginning, creation, individuality, independence, attainment, beginnings, innovator, and your leadership. All right. So as we close things out, 334 underneath the surface, guys, my own spiritual takeaways with these key attributes and characteristics, and these are subconscious triggers, so to speak. So it's just when this number pops up, it's letting you know it's time to move forward with this new perception about your career, available resources, ambition, and goals, and the way you manage your life in general. Go ahead and follow through with your plan of action with determination, motivation, and a good strategy, because you don't have a plan, you plan to fail. Okay. All right. So you have and then with this number pops up, and letting you know that, hey, whatever you've been doing to tap into your inner divine self, you have a strong connection with your spiritual angelic guidance. Okay. And angelic and the spiritual realms, okay? And also letting you know to listen to your intuition and inner wisdom and angelic guidance to glean insight, assistance, and support whenever you feel the need, okay? Because you know that certain things are just lining up for you. And you know you've been planting some good seeds, so you know what you're caught. If you just sticking with cause and effect, you know, lifting people up and helping people with good information and being there, you know, when they really need you, hey, the universe always gonna line things up for you. So it's time for you, when this number pops up, it's time to see the big picture and level up, okay? It's not all about you, okay? You know, we are the world. You know, we need to be the change that we want to see. So it's time to level up and become the best version of ourselves. So as we close things out, this number gonna pop up letting you know, like, Mama Universe say, hey, I appreciate what you've been doing, keep going. All right. And also it's like a little cheat code for you, letting you know that a timely opportunity or a situation gonna bring you many pieces of the puzzle together. All right, seeing the big picture, right? And you have learned many invaluable lessons, and you have been patient and determined in your efforts. So now it's a time to reap your rewards, reflection. All right, you've been doing your work. Again, cause and effect. So each and every day, just continue to be intentional. All right. Learn something new each and every day to build those new brain cells. Start with your anatomy, genetics, right? Biochemistry. And then also start learning about astrology and, you know, learn about these different number combinations. The universe loves speaking through numbers. All right. So now if you've been receiving these number combinations, they're going to, you know, the universe is going to send you more. Your spiritual team going to send you more. Okay. To challenge yourself so you can have a better, you know, inner outer experience. Okay. It's all about, you know, having fun and embracing it. We know it's going to be, you know, trial and error with a couple things, right? But you're going to find your sweet spot. All right. So with that being said, this has been my own personal takeaway when it comes to this number 334, when it pops up in your reality. Okay. Remember, there's a good side, not so good side to everything. Either you need to work on some things, or you've been doing a great job. But knowing when this number pops up in your reality, you've been doing some great things. Okay. So stop being so hard on yourself. So be sure to click that like, subscribe button down below. I greatly appreciate you. We're going to keep doing some number combination. All right. To get you guys rocking and roll. Cause I know you guys see these numbers. They'll pop on license plates, billboards, you know, up in your house, on the microwave, you name it. Okay. But it's all about lining these things up and figuring out what do they mean if they keep popping up. Okay. It's not, there are no accidents or coincidences. Everything happened in divine timing. All right. So again, be sure to click that like, subscribe button down below. I greatly appreciate you. Appreciate the content. Be sure to drop a thank you. If you love to donate, I don't receive any proceeds from YouTube. Please hit the Cash App down below. I'll probably put a PayPal link later, okay? But my Cash App is down below, okay? But this is Chris with Food for Your Thought. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. Continue to leave no stone unturned. Until next time, stay grateful and focused, fam. Peace.